Hi everyone, my name is Anwar. I am a CEO and co-founder of the Mohirdev, and we provide the quality and affordable education by industry experts for non-US or non-English speaking countries. And we launched in Uzbekistan 2 years ago, and we became the #1 online education platform with more than 100,000 active users. These are our main products. We have the Mohirdev marketplace. These are for the short-term courses. We have over 30 of them. We have the Mohirdev Practicum. These are the career-oriented boot camps where the students go through the 9 to 12 months boot camp and get IT certified. And our next product is the Mohir Pool. This is a career acceleration program for those who already graduated from the boot camp but did not meet the requirements of the employers. Recently, we launched the new English teaching app together with the Youth Agency of Uzbekistan. This is a government project, and in less than 2 weeks, we have over 200,000 new users, new downloads, and we became the #1 app in both iOS and Android in education category. We also provide the B2B for education centers, private schools, government organizations, and we support them with teaching plans, educational content, and trainings. This is our ecosystem. As you can see, our main products that we launched already, including the marketplace, boot camps, and English teaching platform. And soon we are launching the 2 more products, which is the Mohir Pool, career acceleration, and the Mohirlar, which will be the freelancing, outstaffing, and outsourcing platform. And with these 2 platforms, we are going global. This is our financials, and we already a profitable company. And our this August, you can see our August financials, $55,000 US. This is our monthly revenue, and we are targeting at least $80,000 USD by the end of this year. And we already raised $650,000 investment from angel and VC investors in both the pre-seed rounds. Okay. And what we are looking from this TechCrunch Disrupt, we are looking for the partners and investors to expand to Central Eurasia region and the MENA region. So we are looking the investors in the local regions. And we have over 100,000 community members so far. This is our young and diverse team. And if you want to connect with me, we are at the booth R4, and this is our email, and this is my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much. Thank you.